We've all been there. You're excited to try a new makeup look, but something goes wrong. Maybe your foundation looks cakey, or your mascara is clumpy. Don't worry, makeup mistakes happen to everyone. The good news is that most makeup mishaps are easy to fix with a few simple tips and tricks. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there are always new techniques to learn and ways to improve your skills. In this essay, we'll cover common makeup mistakes and how to fix them. We'll also share some tips on how to avoid these mistakes in the future. So grab your makeup bag and let's get started. Foundation is meant to even out skin tone and create a flawless base for your makeup. But applying too much or using the wrong formula can lead to a cakey, unnatural finish. The problem, you've applied too much foundation and now it looks heavy and mask-like. It might also be emphasizing texture and fine lines. The fix: use a damp makeup sponge or a clean foundation brush to blend out any excess foundation. Focus on areas where the foundation has settled into fine lines or pores. Tips for avoidance: start with a small amount. It's easier to add more foundation than to take it away. Use a lightweight formula. If you have oily skin, choose an oil-free foundation. Set with powder. This will help to absorb excess oil and keep your makeup in place. Product recommendation: Huda Beauty Hash Faux Filter Skin Finish Buildable Coverage Foundation Stick. This foundation stick provides buildable coverage that looks natural and flawless. Mascara is a must-have for enhancing your lashes, but it can also be tricky to apply. Clumps, smudges, and spider lashes are common problems that can ruin your look. The problem? Your mascara has clumped together, leaving your lashes looking spidery and unnatural. Or you have mascara smudges under your eyes. The fix: use a clean, dry spoolie brush to gently comb through your lashes and separate any clumps. If you have smudges, use a cotton swab dipped in makeup remover to carefully clean up the area. Tips for avoidance: don't pump the mascara wand. This will only force air into the tube, causing the mascara to dry out faster. Wiggle the wand from root to tip. This will help to evenly coat your lashes and prevent clumps. Use a waterproof formula. If you have oily eyelids or live in a humid climate, choose a waterproof mascara to prevent smudging. Product recommendation: Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. This mascara delivers intense volume and length without clumping or smudging. Lipstick can instantly elevate your makeup look, but it can also be frustrating when it bleeds, feathers, or applies unevenly. The problem? Your lipstick has bled outside your lip line, feathered into fine lines around your mouth, or looks patchy and uneven. The fix: use a cotton swab dipped in makeup remover to clean up any bleeding or feathering. To fix uneven application, apply another layer of lipstick, focusing on the areas that need more color. Tips for avoidance: exfoliate your lips. This will create a smooth canvas for lipstick application. Use a lip liner. Lip liner helps to define your lip shape and prevent bleeding. Apply lipstick with a brush. This will give you more precision and control. Product recommendation: Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick. This highly pigmented lipstick glides on smoothly and stays put without feathering or bleeding. Section 5: Eyeshadow Errors, Fallout, Creasing, and Uneven Blending. Eyeshadow can create stunning eye looks, but it can also be messy and difficult to blend. Fallout, creasing, and uneven blending are common eyeshadow errors. The problem? You have eyeshadow fallout under your eyes, your eyeshadow has creased in your eyelid crease, or your eyeshadow looks patchy and uneven. The fix: use a fluffy brush to dust away any eyeshadow fallout. To fix creasing, apply a small amount of concealer to the crease and blend it out. To fix uneven blending, use a clean blending brush to diffuse the edges of your eyeshadow. Tips for avoidance: 1. Use an eyeshadow primer. Primer will create a smooth base for your eyeshadow and help to prevent creasing. 2. Tap off excess eyeshadow from your brush. This will prevent fallout. 3. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is key to a flawless eyeshadow look. Product recommendation: Huda Beauty, the new nude eyeshadow palette. This versatile palette features highly pigmented mattes and shimmers that are easy to blend. Section 6: Blush Blunders. Too much, too bright, and uneven placement. Blush adds a touch of color and dimension to your cheeks, but applying too much or placing it incorrectly can ruin your look. The problem? You've applied too much blush, making your cheeks look clownish. Or you've placed your blush too high or too low on your cheeks. The fix: use a clean brush or a damp makeup sponge to blend out any excess blush. If your blush is too bright, tone it down by applying a light layer of translucent powder over top. Tips for avoidance. 1. Start with a small amount. It's easier to add more blush than to take it away. 2. Smile when applying blush. This will help you to find the apples of your cheeks. 3. Choose the right shade for your skin tone. Fair skin tones look best in light pinks and peaches, while deeper skin tones can wear brighter corals and berries. Product recommendation: Huda Beauty Glowish Soft Radiance Bronzer. This creamy bronzer adds a natural-looking warmth and glow to the cheeks. Section 7. Eyebrow Emergencies. Overdrawn, unnatural shape, and harsh lines. Eyebrows frame your face and enhance your features, but overdrawn, unnatural shapes and harsh lines can make your brows look harsh and unflattering. The problem: you've overdrawn your eyebrows, creating an unnatural shape. Or you've used a brow product that is too dark or too pigmented, resulting in harsh lines. The fix: use a spoolie brush to soften any harsh lines and blend out the brow product. If your brows are too dark, use a cotton swab dipped in makeup remover to lighten them up. Tips for avoidance. 1. Choose a brow product that matches your hair color. If you have blonde hair, opt for a taupe or light brown brow product. If you have dark hair, choose a dark brown or black brow product. 2. Use light, feathery strokes when filling in your brows. Avoid pressing too hard, as this can create harsh lines. 3. Brush through your brows with a spoolie. This will help to soften the look and distribute the product evenly. Product recommendation: Huda Beauty Hash Bomb Brows Micro Shade Brow Pencil. This ultra-fine brow pencil allows you to create natural-looking hair-like strokes. Section 8. Concealer Catastrophes, Creasing, Caking, and Highlighting Gone Wrong. Concealer is a makeup bag essential for covering up blemishes and brightening up the under-eye area, but it can crease, cake, and highlight the wrong areas if not used properly. Your concealer has creased under your eyes, caked around your blemishes, or highlighted areas you didn't intend to highlight. To fix creasing, use your finger or a small brush to gently blend out the creases. To fix caking, use a damp makeup sponge to remove any excess product. 1. Use a lightweight hydrating concealer. This will help to prevent creasing and caking. 2. Set your concealer with powder. This will help to keep it in place and prevent creasing. 3. Apply concealer sparingly. A little goes a long way. Huda Beauty, the overachiever. Concealer. This high-coverage concealer brightens, conceals, and contours without creasing or caking. Section 9. Powder Predicaments. Too much, too matte, and flashback. Powder is great for setting your makeup and controlling shine, but using too much can make your skin look dry, cakey, and unnatural. The problem: you've applied too much powder, leaving your skin looking dry and powdery. Or your powder is creating flashback in photos. The fix: use a fluffy brush to dust away any excess powder. If your skin looks too matte, mist your face with a hydrating facial spray. Tips for avoidance. 1. Use a light hand when applying powder. Focus on areas where you tend to get oily, such as your T-zone. 2. Choose a translucent powder. This will help to set your makeup without adding any additional coverage or color. 3. Avoid powders with silica. Silica is a common ingredient in powders that can cause flashback in photos. Product recommendation: Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. This finely milled powder sets makeup for a flawless, long-lasting finish without flashback. Section 10. Makeup Remover. Mishaps. Choosing the right one and using it properly. Removing your makeup thoroughly at the end of the day is essential for maintaining healthy skin, but using the wrong makeup remover or not using it properly can irritate your skin. You're using a makeup remover that is too harsh for your skin, or you're not removing your makeup thoroughly. If you're using a makeup remover that irritates your skin, switch to a gentler formula. Make sure to remove your makeup thoroughly, paying attention to areas like your hairline and jawline. 1. Choose a makeup remover that is right for your skin type. If you have sensitive skin, opt for a fragrance-free, hypoallergenic formula. 2. Use a cotton pad or reusable makeup remover pad. Saturate the pad with makeup remover and gently wipe away your makeup. 3. Don't rub your skin too harshly. This can irritate your skin. Huda Beauty Wishful Clean Genie Cleansing Butter. This luxurious cleansing butter melts away makeup, dirt, and impurities without stripping the skin of its natural oils. Section 11. Conclusion. Makeup should be fun. Remember, makeup is a form of self-expression and should be fun. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. And if you make a mistake, don't worry, there's always a way to fix it. By following the tips and tricks outlined in this essay, you can avoid common makeup mistakes and achieve a flawless makeup look every time. Remember to choose the right products for your skin type and use a light hand when applying your makeup. And most importantly, have fun with it.